Back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla. Today I filmed this rainbow makeup look using the James Charles X Morphe palette. I have a review on this palette and I'll link that down below so you guys can watch that. But this is my very first makeup look on this channel using this palette and I absolutely love it. This video is a collab with Fiorillo Zavillas. We have collabed before, so make sure you check out her video. I'll put her channel link down below and also her part of the video. Her look is much better than mine, so definitely make sure you click out of this video and go watch hers and then possibly come back to mine and give her video a thumbs up and subscribe to her because she's so sweet and I just love collabing with her. I did try to recreate this look from James Charles. As you can see, his is much better than mine, but I posted a picture of this look a few weeks ago on Instagram and you guys just went bizarre over it. You guys loved it, so that is why I'm filming this video and how we thought of this collab in the first place. So yeah, if you want to see how I recreated this rainbow makeup look, keep on watching. Wow, with my hair wet and no makeup, I look like a goddamn crackhead. So I already did my eyebrows, but I used the Art Down brow pomade. I already did that because it takes forever. Like I say in all my makeup videos, I will film a brow video eventually whenever my eyebrows actually get decent. But first, I'm gonna start off with my face. I usually start off with my eyes, but I know you guys don't want to see this. So we're gonna start off with the Hangover Too Faced primer. Just got this primer and it's hella expensive, but I love it. It gets tacky and it makes your face like cool. I love it. Now going on to foundation, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite foundation, the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm just going to apply that to the back of my hand. And I use a decent amount because, have you seen this? I got about this much and usually I go back for a second. I forgot what I was saying. I just usually rub the rest off my hand with the beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend it in with this Real Techniques beauty sponge and I wet it because when it's not wet it's like really hard and disgusting. So yeah, make sure you always wet your beauty blenders. Also, I have a mirror right here and that's what I'm looking at. So if you're wondering like what the f you're looking at, it's a mirror. Make sure you blend down your neck so you don't look retarded. Even though my chest is like hella white compared to my neck and face, but it's Gucci. Now that that is all blended out, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way concealer. I wanted the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, but apparently Sephora doesn't sell it. It's like an Ulta thing. I could have sworn I saw Tarte there before, but they told me they don't sell it, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna be using this and I actually like it. I wish it was lighter for me. Like on camera it probably looks light, but when you blend it in, it's like orange and like not that light. I don't really like that, but it's fine. Now I'm gonna take the beauty sponge again and blend that out. Hair always sticks to my face when I freaking do my makeup. It is so aggravating. If you're a girl, you know the struggle. Or if you do your makeup in general. Now that my concealer and foundation is done, go ahead and bronze or contour my face. And I use the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I've had this forever and it's lasted me a long time. I did hit pan on it. And I don't use this shade, but I always use this one. And I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Sculpting Face Brush and just contour. I need to get this freaking hair off my nose. Now I'm gonna take my favorite setting powder ever. I was gonna pick up the Laura Mercier loose face powder the other day when I went to go pick up this and the concealer, but girl, that shit was expensive as even for like the little tiny thing, literally this big, it was $30. Like, no thanks. But this is $5 and it works probably just the same. You can get this from Walmart or Target or Walgreens. And I'm just gonna bake my face like I always do. I let that sit for a little while. Now I'm going to wipe it off using the AOA Studio High Def brush. But I am gonna keep the bottom bake on just for a little bit longer. I don't know why I do that. Now for blush, I'm gonna take the Too Faced blush and dab it onto my cheeks. I think blush just gives the perfect look to your makeup. I don't know, it just makes my makeup look better. I always have to have blush. I'm gonna go let this sit for a few minutes and I'll be back to do my eyes. Food break real quick. I'm gonna wipe off the bottom bake. And now moving on to my eyes, which is why you probably watch this video. So to be honest with you, I'm only gonna use like 2 or 3 brushes for this look because I personally only like 3 of my brushes. So yeah, I know like James Charles and Jeffree Star and like everyone else uses multiple different brushes so they don't have extra makeup or eyeshadow on their brushes when they, you know what I mean? But girl, we're gonna be using 3. So for this whole look, I will be using a James Charles Morphe palette. It's the only palette that I use now because it literally has every single color. I'll link my review video down below so you guys can watch that. But I haven't done a look on here yet with it. But this is a rainbow look. So I'm gonna be doing red and oranges on this eye and then yeah, greens, blues, and purples on this eye. I'm gonna be doing the exact thing that I always say Jeffree Star instead of James Charles. The same thing that James Charles did. So now I'm gonna be imitating this picture. I'm gonna take the red in this palette, this one right here, and go on with this eye. And I like to take it, I'm gonna take it all the way down. Now I'm gonna take this brush and take this bright orange shade and put that right next to the red. And you want to make sure with this look that you do blend it pretty well because, you know, you're using a bunch of different colors. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush and take this yellow and then place that next to the orange. This look is kind of, what's the word for it?
2 hours later.
I can't think of the word. What the explanatory. Is that what it is? Meaning is like, it's pretty obvious, if that makes sense. So we are done with this eye. Red, orange, yellow. Okay, I forgot what color it was. So I'm gonna take green, just going like a rainbow. So I'm gonna put it in the inner corner. I'm gonna take this brush again and then take, should I do bright green or dark green? I'm gonna do bright green. So I'm gonna take this green right here. It's on the inner corner. The one time that I did this look, the greens and the blues and the purples, like this eye, was so much harder to do than this eye. For some reason, the colors like didn't blend very well. No tea, no shade, sis, but I don't know if I just suck at blending or the colors in the palette just don't want to blend. Now I'm gonna take this bright blue and obviously put that next to the green. See what I mean though? It's like a little bit chalky. I don't know, that could just be me. I'm gonna go back in and do a little bit more green to blend that out. This is as good as we're gonna get it today. Now I'm gonna take the bigger brush and just do this purple on the outer corner. And that is gonna be the last shade. Now I'm gonna take this brush and just try to blend this side out more because as you can see, it's not that good. It's kind of shitty, but we'll fix it. Okay, I think that's just how it's gonna look. So here's the finished eyeshadow from the top. I will be doing the exact same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna apply some liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the Milani Eye-Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner and just doing a wing. I totally up on this wing. Like, look how much longer this is. Let me try to make them match. I think they match enough. So my eyes always were irritated and itching and burning, and I never knew why until I started using a different lash glue. black Duo Lash Glue was making my eyes very irritated and my eyes just didn't like it. So I switched to, oh, this is a Broadway. I could have sworn this was Salon Perfect, but it's not. I'm gonna take this Maybelline The Foxy's My Big Sparse Mascara and apply that to my eyes before I apply my eyelashes, because you guys always ask me, do I apply this before or after my lashes? And it is before, so that's to answer you guys' questions. Now for lashes, I'm gonna be using these ones. I have no idea what lashes these are. I lost the box. They're probably Ardell because that's what I usually use. They just look like this. Apply it with my Broadway lash glue because, like I said, I can't use Duo, which is what most beauty gurus use, but of course, my body doesn't like it. So I'm gonna go apply these and then I'll be right back to finish off the makeup look. So my lashes are on and I picked these ones because they're not as dramatic as I usually wear. I didn't want dramatic because the eye look is already like that. I didn't want to take focus off the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my lower lash line and I'm gonna be using one brush for this because I'm a gross ass bitch. So I'm gonna take the same red and apply that right under the red on top. And then orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's explanatory. Oh, I just put blue instead of orange. Shit. And of course, this side did not blend. When does it ever? I'm just gonna take this big brush and blend it out, or try to, because these colors just don't want to blend. I thought it was just me sucking at makeup, but this side blended and this side didn't. That's as good as we're gonna get that. Now I'm gonna take this random ass eyeliner and apply that to my bottom lash line. I'm totally gonna poke myself in the eye. What's new though? Come in.
I'm making homemade potato cakes. You want one?
What is that?
Okay, I'll make you one.
Okay. I'm gonna apply mascara. I should probably look in a mirror for this. Now before applying my highlight, I like to spray my face first. So I'm gonna use this Hard Candy Longwear setting spray. I love it. I love the smell. I love the spraying. It's not too harsh. It's an all good setting spray. So to spray my brushes, I just took this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Face Mist bottle and just put water in it. And I'm just gonna spray my brushes. And I do use the James Charles palette as my highlight. You guys always ask me. I do use this. I don't have like a separate highlighter or anything. I use this shade for my face, this for my inner corners and my nose. I thought I was hitting pan for a second and I literally almost cried. Now I'm gonna do my inner corners. Sometimes the eyeshadow will blend in with the highlight. Yeah, see? Now it looks like my highlight's green. Oh well, what can you do? I love a good nose highlight. Now I'm gonna spray my face again with the setting spray, I mean. And do a lot of squirts. And for my lips, I'm just gonna go with a nude because, I don't know. Nude lipstick totally washes me out, but for some reason I just love it. That is the end of the makeup look. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave your request below, subscribe, make sure you go check out Fiorella's Elizabeth. Her channel link will be down below. Like I said, her look is totally much better than mine. Mine's a piece of shit, but if you happen to recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at kayla.tbh. And don't forget that I'm doing a giveaway. I'm at 2,800 subscribers. Once I get 200 more subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications. Stay happy. Bye guys.
If I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm in
Fat, ugly cunt hit a gym.
No business here.